Welcome back, everybody. Today we got some new LED lights for the 91 Civic Project Poo Box. These are made by Rimthin. They're supposed to be 1-1 LED lights and fit right in the stock housing. 9005, 9006. There's your specs, 60 watts, 16,000 lumens. They're made out of aluminum. The temperature is 6,000 K. So that's just over white. I believe it starts to get into the blue spectrum, but we'll see how they look. We'll open them up here. You got the information, US support, which is good. Looks like it's packaged pretty nicely. And we'll first get out the instructions here and a little card and see what that's about. This is probably the warranty card. Yeah, so you can QR code them or email them or call them. Here's the instruction manual. Just gonna go through and show you everything. Exactly how to install them. And all these manuals are just about the same for these lights. If you can install a light bulb, you can install these. Fan speed's 12,000 RPM. IP67. So LED chip is a CSP chip. That's pretty much it. So let's get these things out, take a look at them. There's nothing else in the box. So they should all pretty much be about the same. Let's see, we got a 9006 here, so we'll keep one in there, and then we got a 9005 over here. So we'll put those two back in and we'll just look at these two. So 9005, 9006 are pretty much identical bulbs. One's a high beam, one's a low beam, but they are the same connectors, essentially the same style bulbs. So we'll just look at one real quick and show you exactly how it looks. It does have an aluminum body here. The only thing that's plastic is the little teeth here that lock into the housing and the actual connector, but this is aluminum. You've got a fan in there, and it looks like a little chip set. So that's really all there is to say about these. We'll get them put in the car, see how they fit. We'll turn them on in the daytime, and then we'll show you again at nighttime how they look. All right, we're here at the Civic, and we're gonna show you how easy these things are to install. Now we're gonna come around right over to here, and it should pop right in. And that's a good positive seal in there. It feels good. We're gonna go ahead and just rotate that, and it's clipped in. We'll go ahead and hook up the harness and then turn on the lights in the daytime for you to see. All right, they are in. And as you see, they are pretty bright in the daytime as well. We're gonna go ahead and turn on the high beams. High beams are on. And as you can see, they are very bright. We'll come back here at nighttime and show you how they look. All right, it's pitch black out. We are gonna show you what the headlights look like. Turn on the high beams. Those are high beams. Turn them off. Turn off the lights totally. You see it's pitch black. Go ahead, turn them back on. All right. They're pretty bright.